Wouldn't it be incredible if your business could run itself? Imagine waking up every day, checking your phone, and seeing sales, bookings, and leads flowing in, all without lifting a finger. Welcome to the future, 2025, where smart entrepreneurs don't work harder, they work smarter by letting AI do most of the heavy lifting. In this video, I'm going to reveal 10 of the best free AI tools that can help you automate your entire business, from marketing and content creation to customer service and finances. Plus, if you stay until the end, I'll share a few secret bonus tools that even experienced entrepreneurs rarely know about. You don't want to miss these hidden gems. Let's dive into these powerful tools. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius or a coding expert. These are beginner-friendly and absolutely free to start using. Number 1, ChatGPT, your AI copywriting assistant. The first tool on our list is ChatGPT by OpenAI, a tool that's changing how entrepreneurs communicate. Imagine having a personal assistant who writes your emails, product descriptions, blog posts, social media captions, and customer service replies. With ChatGPT, you can generate marketing content, sales pitches, even business ideas with just a simple prompt. For example, I use ChatGPT to generate an entire week's worth of Instagram captions in just 10 minutes. The free tier allows ample use for small businesses and is ideal for anyone starting out. Tasks it automates: emails, blog posts, product descriptions, social media content, customer service scripts. Number 2, Canva Magic Studio, AI-powered graphics. Next, we have Canva Magic Studio. You don't need to be a designer anymore. Canva's AI can create stunning YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, posters, and even websites. It generates copy suggestions, automatically resizes images for different platforms, and can even create short promotional videos. With the free version, you get access to hundreds of templates and magic AI features. I personally use Canva to design my YouTube thumbnails and Pinterest pins, all in under 5 minutes per design. Tasks it is used to automates: graphic design, thumbnails, social media content, presentation slides. Number 3, Pictory AI, faceless video creation. Don't want to show your face on YouTube, but still want to build a brand? Enter Pictory AI. It takes your blog posts, scripts, or any long text and turns them into professional videos with AI voiceovers and stock footage. This is one of the easiest ways to start a YouTube automation channel. Even the free version lets you create short videos, perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikToks. Tasks it can automate: video creation, voiceovers, subtitles, faceless content. Number 4, Durable AI, build websites in seconds. Durable AI is like having a personal web developer on standby. You simply tell it your business idea, and within 30 seconds, Durable creates a full website with a homepage, about section, services, contact forms, and images. The free version allows you to preview and customize your website instantly. This is a game changer for freelancers, local businesses, or anyone starting out on a tight budget. Tasks you can automate with this tool are website building, business branding, contact forms, SEO-ready pages. Number 5, TDO AI chatbots, 24/7 customer support. Tired of answering repetitive customer queries? TDO offers free AI chatbots that can be embedded on your website or Shopify store. These bots answer customer questions, offer product recommendations, and capture leads, even when you're asleep. Tasks it will automate for you: live chat FAQ responses, lead capture cart recovery messages. Number 6, Zapier free plan. Automate everything without coding. Zapier is the king of automation. It connects different apps together to automate your workflows. Want to automatically send new Shopify orders to Google Sheets? Or have your email list updated when someone fills out a form? Zapier does it without you writing a single line of code. Even on the free plan, you can automate 100 tasks per month. It saves you from hiring a virtual assistant for repetitive tasks. Tasks it can automate are app integrations, workflow automation, lead routing, notification systems. Number 7, Copy.ai, AI-powered marketing. Copy is what sells your product or service, and Copy.ai makes it ridiculously easy. With the free version, you can generate headlines, product descriptions, ad copy, and website content within seconds. For small businesses, this means faster product launches, quicker email campaigns, and more persuasive ads without hiring copywriters. Tasks it will automate for you: ads and sales copy, product descriptions, landing pages, email sequences. Number 8, Notion AI, personal project manager with AI. Notion AI takes organization to the next level. It summarizes notes, writes reports, creates content calendars, and helps you plan projects with ease. Notion AI is fantastic for business owners who need to stay organized but hate micromanaging spreadsheets and to-do lists. What tasks it can automate are note summarization, project planning, meeting notes, task automation. Number 9, Lumen 5. Turn blogs into videos. Lumen 5 is similar to Pictory, but focuses on social media. It takes your blog articles and automatically converts them into engaging short-form videos optimized for Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Tasks it will do for you automatically are video creation from blogs, social media posts, branded storytelling. Number 10, QuickBooks AI. QuickBooks offers AI-driven financial management, simplifying your bookkeeping, generating financial reports, and helping you track profits and losses without a degree in accounting. The free trial can easily show you how much time you'll save managing your money automatically. Tasks. It can automate invoicing, expense tracking, financial reporting, tax preparation assistance. Now, for those of you still watching, here's the extra value I promised. Bonus tools that most business persons overlook, but they can absolutely transform your workflow. Bonus 1, ElevenLabs, Voice AI. Need professional voiceovers? ElevenLabs gives you realistic AI voices that sound just like humans. Use it for YouTube videos, courses, product demos, no microphone needed. Bonus 2, StockIMG AI, forget boring stock photos. StockIMG lets you generate custom stock images and product mock-ups using AI. You control the style, the mood, the composition, and it's free with starter credits. Bonus 3, Opus Clip. This one's epic. If you have long videos, Opus Clip automatically chops them up into viral short-form content for TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. This one tool can quadruple your content output without doing any editing. So there you have it. 10 powerful AI tools plus 4 bonus tools to completely automate your business for free in 2025. Which one are you going to try first? Comment below, smash that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more finance, automation, and income growth tips. Remember, businesses in 2025 don't compete based on who works harder, but on who automates smarter. With the right AI tools, you can turn your small business into a scalable, automated machine. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, work smarter, automate more, and enjoy your financial freedom.